You don't need a fancy camera to get a blurry background. In this video, I'll show you how to turn this into this using CapCut. Whether you're editing on your phone or your desktop, I've got the exact step for both of them. You bring your video on the timeline. Option 1, you duplicate the video, so you copy, then you press Command V or Ctrl V to paste the video. Now you have two videos. You come right here to remove BG and apply auto removal. While auto removal is applying, you come to Effects and you search for the blur effect. You put the blur effect in between both clips, and this is the first way you do it. You can always increase and decrease intensity of the blur depending on you, but yeah, that's the first step. The second step, you bring the same video. Let me duplicate the same video. Let me turn on my main track magnets. This time around, you search for spot blur, SPOTBLUR, and just bring it over the video. And done. You can always increase also and reduce the intensity of it. You bring your video into CapCut, you click on the video, then you duplicate it. Click on duplicate. The second video you see right here, overlay, you bring it to overlay, then you drag it exactly over the video. Now they're over each other. Then you click on the overlay, you scroll all the way to remove background, apply remove BG. Auto removal is good enough for this one. While it's processing, you leave, you click on the video, the main video, the one at the top, then you come to Effects. Under video effects, you search for blur, the blur effect, and you apply the blur effect on the video. Now you have a cinematic looking background. For the second step, you bring in your video again, and this time around, you don't actually need to duplicate. You just click on the video, you scroll to Effects, Video Effects, and this time around, search for Spot Blur, SPOTBLUR, and click on it, and now you have a blurry background. And yeah, you can always increase or decrease the intensity depending on you, and that way you have a cinematic looking video.